Guys, welcome back to another video. Now let's continue our discussion with strings. So in our previous program, this one here on the screen, I demonstrated the use of the gets function and then the puts function that allows us to input and display values in our screen. This time, I'm going to continue our discussion using cin. But in cin, there are a number of functions that you could include, such as cin that get line or get rather, and also cin that get line. Okay, so I'm going to show to you how this one works. But I paste the definitions or definitions of the cin get line and cin get here. So cin get line and cin get both read a line of input at a time until we find the \n. Take note, at the end of a string there is always \n. You would not see it, but technically in memory there is a \n character. Okay, but the cin get line then discard the new line character, this one here, this new character, whereas the cin get leaves it in the input queue. Okay, so this is the difference between cin get line and cin that get, but they perform the same operation. Okay, let's now modify our code here. So I'll be using the same code, but instead of us having here this line, let me remove this section. Okay, now let's try to input now. So we're going to input the name. Now we're going to use here cin.get. So let's use cin.get. The syntax is we start with cin.get, open parentheses, then semicolon. Inside the parentheses here, there are two arguments. The first one is the variable, in which case we have here name, and then the second argument here is the size. In this case we have here 50. Okay, now so this section here will allows us to input the name variable. Then we have here cout, and then all we need to do is let's modify this and then add our variable name. Okay, so that's it. That's the cin get function. So let's run our code. Okay, let's wait for a while. Okay, so this is our code here. Now it's prompting us to enter a name, so let's type here Haji. Again, it displays the name, and let's try it again. Okay, let's wait for a while. And then this time we're going to have Haji Tehuko, enter. So it performs the same. It still reads the white spaces or the space after my first name. So aside from using here, so let's show you again. Aside from using here gets function, you can use here the cin.get function to type or enter multiple values. Another way that you could use is cin.getLine. So again, the difference is that when you use the cin.getLine, it discards the carries return or this \n character, but still it accepts the input. Okay, so to do that, you just simply type here cin.getLine. That's it. And then type here the name and then the size of the character, and then provide us with a semicolon. Okay, so what's next is for us to run a program again. So it will perform the same output. Okay, so let's try our input Haji, Javier. Let's try this one, Tehuko, and then press enter. Now it's the same output here. Okay, so this program demonstrates the use of the cin.get and cin.getLine, just in case you'll be having multiple let's say text that will be separated by a white space or a space. Okay, So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.